CarcinoX, a next-general multi-pronged protocol for comprehensive cancer reversal. Cancer, a word that still brings fear, pain, and helplessness to millions around the world. But what if we could treat cancer not by destroying the body, but by gently reprogramming the rogue cells themselves? Introducing CarcinoX, a next-generation, multi-pronged strategy developed in India, aiming to transform how we treat cancer from the inside out. CarcinoX, a highly advanced multi-pronged strategy to eradicate cancer from all sides. Provisional patent filed. CarcinoX works on 4 interconnected levels. Group 1 delivers advanced nano-level botanical formulations to boost immunity and prepare the body for recovery. Group 2 restores cellular health through precise, nutrient-based supplements designed to reach damaged tissue at the nanoscale. Group 3 takes it deeper, combining stem cell-derived nanomedicines and highly specialized biological agents that help normalize cancer cell behavior and support regeneration. And finally, Group 4, the most revolutionary of all, subconscious cell reprogramming. Yes, using guided hypnotic sessions and meditative breath work, cancer patients are empowered to reprogram their own cells, shifting them from chaos to harmony, from destruction to healing. This therapy is natural, gentle, and rooted in science. It avoids the devastating side effects of chemotherapy, radiation, or aggressive surgery. But to make this dream a reality, we need your help. CarcinoX has just been filed for provisional patent. And now, with your support, we can begin testing, trials, and public awareness. Your contribution today could help bring this breakthrough therapy to the people who need it most. Help us replace fear with hope. Help us fight cancer, not with destruction, but with intelligence. Support CarcinoX. Support life. Donate now on Keto.